Kahit pumigit pa.
Okay, so you guys look funny. Can you please tell me about your outfit? Inspiration was from something like that.
By the way, this is by Miguel Villa, and it's a summer vibe.
It looks fresh.
Yeah, that's fresh. That's elegant at the same time.
Yeah, it looks elegant. You
Find the monies to define gentle. Thank you so much for those. Everything. Thank you so much.
So you guys walk to the red carpet, there's a lot of cameras pointing at you, you guys posted in front of the camera. What were you guys thinking?
I know, and excited at the same time. This is very first time attending my first time. Yeah, it's my first time.
It's your first time I see you and you're kind of like a red carpet pro. How about you? How about you?
Also, me, this is my first deep choice of words.
So, cooking the segment.
This award means a lot to me because I'd say a lot of people just know me as a singer, and I feel incredibly grateful to be acknowledged for another one of my passions. And I'd like to thank ABS-CBN, my Star Magic family, my manager, Captain Luz, my RM, Kuya Aska, my stylist, Kuya Ryan, thank you for always making me look good. My parents, my dad is here with me today. Thank you. I love you for always being endlessly supportive. And of course, last but definitely not least, thank you so much to all the fans and the fandoms sa pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much and congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move forward with the entertainment category with our next presenters. She is a commercial model.
Thank you, Lord. This may take quite some time, but we would like to give our thanks to these people. So, I'm Dingdong Bahan and I'm with Patrick Ramirez. Maraming salamat po for this recognition. And this recognition being named as BL Love Team of the Year is not just an award, but it's also a celebration of our love and our courage. To our families, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtanggap, pagsuporta, at nadalhin namin to sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. To the Pinoy Big Brother management and to our co-housemates, maraming salamat. Actually, yung first task na itago yung relasyon namin, that wasn't easy. But because of the time na dumating yung pagtanggap at pagmamahal, more than that yung na-receive namin, and it changed everything. To our Star Magic family, to Mama Bear, to Miss Catherine Angeles, thank you for guiding us and seeing us not as a risk, but a worthy sharing of our love story. To our Lolo Ninong, Derek Lauren Jogi, thank you for your leadership to continue opening doors for us people for better representation to our bosses from ABS-CBN, to Sir Carlo Katigbak, Sir Mark Lopez, Tita Cory Vidanes, maraming salamat po for trusting us and for giving your lens para millions of Filipinos ang makakilala sa journey at sa love story ng Dongpan.
Hello, good evening. Honestly, hindi po namin expect na darating po yung moment na to na nasa simpleng katotohanan sa aming dalawa would be seen, heard, and felt by so many people. We didn't share our story for attention. Pumasok po kami sa industriya, dala ang kaba, takot, at higit sa lahat, katotohanan. And tonight, this award isn't just a trophy. It's a symbol of every heart that chose to live freely and truthfully. To our Dongpat family, our starfish, kayo ang lakas namin. Every tweet, comment, post, at dasal ay ramdam na ramdam namin. You didn't just support us. You love our story, and for us, that's everything. To the LGBTQIA+ community, we know that our fight is far from over. Pero sana yung kwento namin, you found a little strength. To love is brave, to be real is power. Thank you, VB Choice Award, for honoring our love and our story.
Oh, yan, Dongpan.
Yung naka-white. Ayaw. May hawig eh. Diba? Ito ano? Sino si Tan? Charing.
Magkano po na
Nagkabal.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Oo, di tayo magpapasal. Hala, siya yung umupo.
The individual has interests of the public by consistently delivering unbiased, up-to-date news that the people can depend on.
Nominees for News Anchor of the Year are Zen Hernandez for Vivi Patrol Weekend, Vicky Morales for 24 Horas, Jeremy Ryson for Frontline Pilipinas, Bernadette Sembrano for Vivi Patrol, Arby Hulak for Alina ABC, and Cheryl Cousin for Frontline Pilipinas.
The VP Choice Awards goes to Bernadette Sembrano for TV Patrol.
Sa lahat, maraming salamat po, Baby Choice Award, for this recognition. Well, thank you po sa family ko, sa Star Magic family, PBB family, to my friends. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigay niyo. And hindi ito mangyayari lahat kung wala din ang aking mga fans. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you, Matt Cruz and Ray Salmar. To cap the business category, may we call on our
Coupled with a comfortable atmosphere to savor the moment.
The nominees for Restaurant of the Year are Kenny Rogers Roasters, Kuya Korea, Kuya Jay, Max's, Tiger Wings, Classic Saber.
And the VP Choice Award